Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve inequalities. In this video, we will be focusing on solving the inequality 2w minus 4 is less than 6. We will walk you through the step-by-step process of finding the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. So let's get started. Step 1. To begin solving the inequality 2w minus 4 is less than 6, we need to isolate the variable w on one side of the inequality. This process involves moving the constant term to the other side of the inequality. First, we'll add 4 to both sides of the inequality to cancel out the minus 4 on the left side. When we add 4 to both sides, the left side becomes 2w because minus 4 plus 4 is 0. On the right side, we have 6 plus 4, which equals 10. Therefore, the inequality is now 2w is less than 10. This step is crucial because it simplifies the inequality and moves us closer to solving for w. Remember, the goal is to get w by itself on one side of the inequality. So the updated inequality after adding 4 to both sides is 2w is less than 10. In interval notation, this step has not yet changed the solution since we have not fully isolated w. By performing this operation, we maintain the balance of the inequality, ensuring that both sides are still equivalent in terms of their relationship. Step 2. In this step, we need to isolate w completely by getting rid of the coefficient in front of w. Currently, we have 2w is less than 10. To isolate w, we'll divide both sides of the inequality by 2. When we divide 2w by 2, we just get w because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times w is simply w. So the left side of the inequality becomes w. On the right side, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Therefore, the inequality now reads w is less than 5. This step is important because it isolates the variable w and allows us to see the solution more clearly. Since we've successfully isolated w, this is our final step. Our solution to the inequality 2w minus 4 is less than 6 is w is less than 5. In interval notation, this solution is written as the interval from negative infinity to 5. This means that w can be any value less than 5 but not equal to 5. So our final answer is w is less than 5, or in interval notation, from negative infinity to 5. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.